Now, let us see some of the important policies in point-of-care testing facilities. Here are 30 policies for a point-of-care testing (POCT) facility. 1. Patient identification. Verify patient identity using two identifiers, e.g., name and date of birth. Confirm identity against patient records and test requisition forms. 2. Staff training and competency. Ensure all personnel conducting POCT are adequately trained. Perform annual competency assessments and provide continuous education. 3. Quality control. Conduct daily quality control tests for each POCT device. Document all QC results and take corrective actions for any failures. 4. Equipment calibration. Calibrate POCT equipment according to manufacturer recommendations. Keep records of all calibration activities. 5. Infection control. Adhere to standard infection control practices, including hand hygiene. Use appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE) for each test. 6. Specimen collection and handling. Follow proper techniques for specimen collection, labeling, and handling. Ensure specimens are stored and transported at appropriate temperatures. 7. Reagent and supply management. Maintain an inventory of all reagents and supplies, ensuring they are within expiration dates. Store reagents as per manufacturer guidelines. 8. Documentation and record keeping. Maintain detailed records of all tests performed, including patient details, test results, and operator information. Store records securely and ensure they are accessible for review. 9. Result reporting. Report results promptly to the requesting healthcare provider. Ensure results are communicated clearly and documented in the patient's medical record. 10. Patient consent and information. Obtain informed consent from patients before conducting tests. Provide information about the test procedure, risks, and benefits. 11. Confidentiality and privacy. Ensure patient information is kept confidential and complies with HIPAA regulations. Restrict access to patient data to authorized personnel only. 12. Incident reporting. Report any incidents, errors, or adverse events related to POCT promptly. Conduct root cause analyses and implement corrective actions to prevent recurrence. 13. Regulatory compliance. Comply with all relevant local, state, and federal regulations governing POCT. Stay updated on changes in regulatory requirements. 14. Standard Operating Procedures (SOPs). Develop and maintain SOPs for all POCT procedures. Review and update SOPs regularly. 15. Test selection and validation. Select POCT tests based on clinical utility and evidence of effectiveness. Validate new POCT devices and methods before implementation. 16. Proficiency testing. Participate in external proficiency testing programs. Review and address any discrepancies identified through proficiency testing. 17. Environmental controls. Maintain appropriate environmental conditions, temperature, humidity, for POCT. Regularly inspect and document environmental conditions. 18. Disposal of waste. Dispose of biohazardous waste and sharps according to safety and environmental regulations. Use proper containers and follow waste management protocols. 19. Device maintenance and troubleshooting. Perform routine maintenance on POCT devices as per manufacturer's instructions. Document all maintenance activities and troubleshoot any device malfunctions. 20. Patient safety. Ensure all testing procedures prioritize patient safety. Implement protocols to manage and report adverse events related to POCT. 21. Internal audits. Conduct regular internal audits to assess compliance with POCT policies and procedures. Address any findings and implement improvements. 22. Emergency preparedness. Develop an emergency response plan for POCT-related emergencies. Train staff on emergency procedures and conduct regular drills. 23. Communication and coordination. Establish clear lines of communication between POCT staff, laboratory personnel, and healthcare providers. Coordinate testing activities to ensure seamless patient care. 24. Risk management. Identify and assess risks associated with POCT. Implement risk mitigation strategies and monitor their effectiveness. 25. Patient education. Provide patients with information about the purpose and process of POCT. Offer guidance on any necessary follow-up actions based on test results. 26. Continuous improvement. Foster a culture of continuous quality improvement. Encourage feedback from staff and patients to enhance POCT services. 27. Ethical considerations. Ensure all POCT practices adhere to ethical standards. Respect patient autonomy and decision-making. 28. Interdepartmental collaboration. Collaborate with other departments to integrate POCT into the broader healthcare system. Share data and insights to improve overall patient outcomes. 29. Technology integration. Utilize electronic health records (EHR) systems to streamline POCT documentation and result reporting. Ensure compatibility and integration of POCT devices with EHR systems. 30. Review and update policies. Regularly review and update POCT policies to reflect current best practices and technological advancements. Involve multidisciplinary teams in the policy review process. These are some of the important policies to be established in point-of-care testing facilities. Stay tuned for more knowledge sharing and information.